Hello everyone, it's Marie Manon. Today I'm just warming up with a playful abstract painting. Small one, nothing too serious. Just letting go and having fun with some of my favorite colors. Purples, paint grays, green, white, soft pink, and a bit of yellow. Here I'm using a charcoal pencil and I'm just making marks, some scribbles, just to add some details on the background. By the way, I tape the edges of the press paper with a green painter tape. It gives the painting a nice, cleaner border that I really like. When you're just starting a fresh painting, don't think too much about what you want to do. Just let it go. Just enjoy making a mess with your favorite colors. Really, that's the best part, making the mess. I'm using my rubber squeegee. Honestly, one of my favorite tools right now to drag some of the paint around and create texture. I'm holding my pen very loosely to make beautiful soft marks. Time to add with a spatula some nice pink, and I'm spreading the pink with the squeegee. Nice circle with the black pen. Do you like to use stencils when you create a painting? I use them very often. I love making different marks and I, I just, I think they're fun to use with spray paint. Don't forget to put your mask if you use spray paint. It's so important to give yourself permission just to play. No pressure, nothing, you don't have to create anything perfect. I don't. I if I try too hard or it just doesn't work. So I prefer to play and then I'll see something happening and then I'll know what else I have to do to complete the painting. If you're ever afraid to start, remember, messy beginnings often lead to beautiful surprises. And I do love surprises. When you paint, do you listen to music? This is something that I just can't. My studio needs to be quiet. I don't know why. It's just the way it is, the way I am. And by the way, my studio is a bit of a mess today. But you know what? I like it that way. It feels light and creative. If you're painting along with me, just trust your instincts. You really can't do it wrong. I would love to see what you create from this. Tag me if you share it somewhere. I would love to see it. I have learned to stop before it's overworked. It's hard, but drying in between layers really help. I use the blower very often. Sometimes I walk away from the piece for just 5 minutes to reset my eyes. Then I see what it needs to be added. This is the fun part, removing the tape and being able to see uh, what you have created. I love doing that. It's uh, it's like a big unwrapping a gift. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little creative moment, please like or leave a comment. And if you want, please subscribe. By the way, let me know what colors do you love to make a mess with. I would love to hear from you. It's pretty lonely in an artist studio. Love you all. Bye bye.